Here's part 2.
We just saved part 2.
Part 2! It's taking really long. 不用拿着，你不用拿。我给你拿着。No，
那你干嘛？
我是记录，不行。你光动我。
我没动你。
你光说你就晃，还说我转头。Ooh. Are you senselessly staring into the air?
What?
No. 你闭上嘴。Crackling mini firecrackers for the loud. There's some weird people laughing. Very weird. Just to tell you, my ears actually do hurt and my eyes hurt.
You are an idiot.
Stop calling me bad stuff.
Why are you calling me bad stuff?
I'm not calling you bad stuff.
You call me
Stop saying that. It's bad for the viewers.
Who cares?
Especially if they're little kids.
Especially if they're listening right now. You actually listen to the video.
Stop talking, you.
You make me rub blood all over the place. And I know what you
Stop saying your blood is all over the place. It's inappropriate. It makes people barf.
Who cares?
Stop laughing.
Stop shaking.
I can't stop shaking. I need a tripod.
By I, you mean idiot.
Wait.
You need a tripod to stop shaking.
Whoa.
You just shake a lot.
Yeah, I know.
You always shake a lot.
Stop saying I shake a lot. I'm trying to do my best here, you know.
It's bad. It's not good enough. It needs to be better.
Grr. Roar. Roar.
Roar yourself.
Roar, roar.
Roar yourself.
Part 2.
Part 2 yourself.
Hey, I'm not even talking to you.
Who cares? Who are you talking to then? The
Looks
viewers?
like a pencil urchin.
It's not like you're talking to the viewers.
What viewers?
The viewers that might view if you're actually putting it on YouTube.
Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Okay, end of part 2. Thanks for watching. Post a comment if you want to continue hearing me narrate my stupid